How to upgrade Windows 7 to Windows 10, the easiest method. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how you can upgrade your Windows 7 to Windows 10 with the easiest method. So the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step, and let's dive into the video without wasting any time. So first, on your browsers on your Windows 7, you have to open the browser and search for Windows 10 download for PC, and here you get this Microsoft option of download Windows 10 disk image ISO file. Simply choose this option and it's going to open this interface for you. Now you simply have to scroll down, and here you have this option of download now, and you can click this option and then just simply download this Windows for your PC and update it. So that's the process that you can follow to update your Windows 7 to 10. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.